Amateur Dad here, and we are going to be shooting a Brio haircut family edition. All right, Carter, we are going to be taking a haircut to this lovely hair of yours with the cordless Brio. And just look how dirty that is, right? You're like, oh, that's dirty, right? Well, just think, all that dirt could have been on your cutters, but it's not. Ah, beardaholics. Okay. Check back in a second. See how we're doing here. Going with the homeless style. Okay, here we go, here we go. Ooh. Whoa! Whoa, okay. All right, so what I'm doing, I used to go lowest to highest, but now I'm going kind of middle. And I just clip, you know, it's all a 3 right here. Right here, I just kind of rock it up. And what makes it really nice is this looks like a pivoting spot, you know? It's nice that that's shaped like that on the Brio. So far, so good. Good enough, right? Look at me. All right. Okay. I don't know. I think I'm going with this. I'm gonna go with that. And except for maybe right there. Yeah, not bad. We're gonna do the my favorite part now. The neck. We're gonna use a baby Brio. It's not called a baby Brio, but I call it a baby Brio. All right. All right, so still got some hair in this way, but maybe I'll hit that with a little bit extra. I don't think it's that bad. They cleaned his neck up. Usually I blend it in more, but this is what we're gonna go. So let's see the final look. So, I think my mom just messed it up, but yeah, I like that.
Looks good.
Yeah, I like it. All right, guess what? Now you get to cut my hair.
Yeah. And now it's my turn.
Back there, you can't even hurt it. Push in a little bit. You can push against the skin.
Turn off.
Now Brooke wants to do it. Like, comment, subscribe for more content.
For more content.
Subscribe for more content. High five. Oh, ouch.